Hey, I'm packing and I'm leaving today, and look who came to visit.
Hey guys.
It's Archer Love, which you guys may know, most of you know, and he is the proprietor and alchemist of Now Alchemy. And I take ormus, I take Elysium. People are always asking me my favorites. In a short, what would you say they are, and why is it so important that I bring them? Because wait, I just want to say that I'm bringing not a carry-on, so I can have. I'm taking my friends with me. So you said ormus is really important for me.
Ormus is really good for traveling because traveling puts your body under a state of stress, and then your glands have to use a lot of minerals to keep it in homeostasis. So the ormus has all the minerals that you need to help your body stay balanced and in homeostasis during the travels. Jet lag, it keeps jet lag from coming on, and just other types of stress. It'll keep your REM state healthy, and it'll keep you in line with your circadian rhythm.
So how much should I take when I land?
More than normal. I would say before you leave, take 6 full droppers.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Normally you take 3 full droppers, right? Or do
really?
you do like 1?
I do like 1.
Because you're really light.
Yeah.
So you don't need that much. But I do about 3 droppers when I do it.
Okay.
So it depends on the person. So I would say 6 full droppers before you leave and 6 full droppers when you land, and then just go back to your normal routine with it.
That's so cool. Yeah. And then Archer came to visit and brought me this beautiful opalescent and copper thing that I'm going to just sit on the airplane.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? I'm sitting on the airplane watching a movie. People will be like...
And you can wrap it on your necklace and just carry it with you everywhere.
I was going to carry it.
You just pull it up whenever you're in line or something. Traffic.
It feels really good.
Yeah.
That was so sweet of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I saw it and I knew you'd love it.
I love it. I love it. And I love this. I'm bringing Nirvana with me, which helps me sleep like nobody's business.
Because Nirvana has ashwagandha, kava kava, and CBD in it, so it's really calming.
Yeah. And then I'm bringing also my Elysium, which I don't like to be without because I love Shilajit, and it's got gold in it, right?
It does. So all the elixirs have the ormus gold in it. The Elysium is great for hormonal levels, energy, and focus. It's more of like a masculine blend. It's got Shilajit in it, which is from the Himalayan mountains, and pulls heavy metals out of the body, increases like androgenic hormones, which keep us like young and fueled, like working hard. It's a great substitute for coffee or addition to coffee. I go on and off with it.
Are you on coffee these days?
I am these days.
Yeah, how am I going to go to Italy and not have coffee?
I know, no, it's like you got to go through phases,
Yeah, pasta and coffee.
We'll
see what happens. Here it comes.
Yeah, but it's good though. The flour is so much better in Italy than
you can come through.
Hey.
We're packing. I'm packing today, and Claudia and her mama are here helping me. And Archer came to give me a hug before I travel, and this beautiful gift. And I'm so excited.
So just as a recap for the ormus.
Yes.
If you're in any state of stress, not just traveling, but if you're like working really hard and staying up late at night, just like on a new project or something, the ormus will keep your glands fueled with all the minerals they need to keep you balanced and energized and grounded. So so traveling, hard work, new jobs, any sort of state of like newness and stress.
And stress comes. Like, I'm heading to an Airbnb I haven't been before. I don't know if the driver's going to pick me up. Like, I'll just have some ormus and everything will be fine.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Love the potency of these elixirs. I love them.
Yeah, and I notice a difference even myself when I'm not using them. Yeah, like sometimes I forget to do it every day. And it's mine,
And so I'm gonna be having my friends
putting up the hood because my hair is crazy today.
No, your hair is good.
I just caught a first glance of myself, and I was like, no, I'm hiding my hair.
Everyone's going, no, put your hair out.
Yeah.
We are the same sun, moon, Mercury.
There.
And
I'm hiding.
You're
hiding my hair.
All right. Well, we're gonna hang up the camera anyway.
We are the same though.
Claudia, you want to say hi?
And don't we look the same?
Claudia is the most amazing.
Hi, Claudia.
Claudia has moved my stuff back and forth. She knows. It's amazing how many times we've decluttered. Like, decluttered.
Wow, I can't believe you're leaving. I'm sad.
Maybe you'll meet
I'm gonna miss you. I will.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I miss you too. But that's
Yeah.
so nice to miss someone. You know,
Yeah,
it's nice to be missed and miss someone.
Yeah, I go to Cafe Gratitude every day to work, and just knowing you're right across the street's nice. You're not going to be right across the
I
street
know, right?
anymore.
But the house is still here, the energy's,
Yeah.
but you're right, I'm gone. But
Yeah.
I'm going to be here on YouTube. We're going to have lots of YouTube, Instagram, whatever. I'll be showing up more than ever. And maybe
Yes.
you'll meet me.
Yes, I will.
So, big hugs. I'm
Bless.
leaving today.
Hugs.